Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. My name is Joanna and today we're going to show you how to make needle felted dryer balls from a ball of wool. This is our second project from our needle felting handicraft series, so if you missed our first, here's a link to that if you want to get started from the beginning. If you're wondering what a dryer ball is or why you would want to use dryer balls, I'll put a link below to our blog post to give you all the details, but for now, let's get on to our project. All you're going to need for this is a ball of wool, somewhere between 50 to 100 grams, and make sure it's real wool. The packaging will say how much it weighs. You'll need a felting needle. We used a larger size, but any will do. Some dishwashing soap, and a dryer. Start by removing the wrapping from the wool. Then simply begin stabbing your needle into the wool. This is the felting part, and I dare say, it is very therapeutic. We like the single needle, but you may find that the multiple needle tool is more efficient. It's up to you. You're going to keep moving the ball of wool in your hands so that you maintain as even of a ball as you can. This process took us about 15 to 30 minutes. You'll know when you're ready for the next step when all the threads of the wool are enmeshed and will not unravel even if pulled. Believe me, the last thing you want to happen in our next few steps is the ball of wool unraveling. When you're finished felting, wet the ball just slightly. Then apply a small amount of dish soap and rub it around, getting all parts of the ball of wool soapy and wet. Then rinse it off. And put the ball of wool into the dryer for about 60 minutes. When done, the ball of wool should appear nice and felted, and it's time to use it as a dryer ball. It's literally that simple. Now go throw it into your dryer and reap all the benefits that a dryer ball brings. See you in our next video.